What is up guys? You're watching Simple Web Tutorial. Today, we will be talking about how to change the current Git login account in Git Bash. So basically, I already have my account, but today we will try to create a new one. Here, this is my newly created account, and we will try to clone this repository. In my case, I will just download it or clone it into my desktop. And we will go to the directory. We will try to make any changes. So we will try to check the status. Add this one. And commit. And now the changes is already been committed, and we will try to push it into our origin. So here it will say an error, permission to denied to simple web tutorial. As I've said, I already have my account and it's already been logged in. So now we will try to change the current logged in account to our new GitHub account. So click this Windows logo and type manage Windows credentials. And right here we will see the github.com generic credentials. Just click this drop down menu and you can choose whether edit or remove. But in my case, I will remove this entirely. And now we will try to push it into our origin repository. And here the GitHub will ask our credentials, so we will log in our newly created GitHub account to this input box. So that's it. We will now able to push a repository into our newly created GitHub account. So I hope this one helps, and thank you so much for watching.